miss you guys so much. I'm back again after a long while, Now, today, we're going to present our winners for the promo. If you don't know about it, a little over a month ago, I launched the promo to select some 2 lucky people who would like to be guided in their next application process. And instead of 2 people, I selected 3 because I'm kind. Yes, yes, I'm kind. So I selected 3 people, and I'm going to announce them very soon. But before that, I have a few announcements to make. Since many of you would like to be guided in some form, I have decided to do a Zoom Q&A during the time for the application, around mid-October or early October, so that I can answer some Q&A. I'm going to bring some other students on board so that they can also give you information from their experience. So I have put a link in the description box. If you want to be part of the Zoom call, just make sure you sign up. Sign up now so you don't forget. And I would like you to also go to my Instagram page. If you want to get more personal, if you want to know some of the things I do on my day-to-day basis, I have been posting not only study tips but also some cooking tips. You get to know how I love to cook as well as study. Yeah, so go there and get more personal. You can ask me questions, you can send me direct messages there. So that said, what's happening here in Sweden is summer now. It's so jolly, happy. People are so happy in town. The sun is up and it's so warm, I tell you. And this week it's been crazy in town. There are celebrations here and there. Some people are finishing university, others are also finishing high school. The high school is big and it's crazy. So many students, and they have their own way of celebrating their graduation. So wonderful and so beautiful. So let's get into it. 3 people won, and the first one is, drum roll, Amponsa Wellington. Congratulations, Amponsa Wellington. Second person is Sandis Ayuma. Yes, the third person is Dunsen Olu Ajayi. Yes, so congratulations to all of you. All those who have won, make sure you contact me as soon as possible so that we get right into business, right? So if we're not selected, don't worry, because you also have the chance to join the Zoom calls, and then we have some tete-a-tetes. You know what I mean? Tete-a-tete. You can talk. So don't worry, I still got you all. So yeah. So thank you for staying with me. A little bit update about my life here in Sweden. I was on leave for a while. That's why I took the opportunity to start this YouTube channel to inform people about what's up here in Sweden. So I've started work now, so I don't have much time, but don't worry, I'll keep you posted. I'll be doing vlogs here and there, and to show you how my studies progress. If you're interested, stay tuned. Yeah, once in a while I'll post some nice things. And on Instagram, I go places and I do instant live streams in Sweden here. I can be in the north in the snow and I'll make live videos. Like, so if you want to be seeing like day-to-day things, very personal things, not very personal if I say personal, but I mean very nice things that you just see spontaneously. I just put a live video and then I just show you as and when it's happening. Yeah, so join me on Instagram, follow and send me a direct message, and we can continue this relationship, right? Okay, so thank you for joining. Thank you so much for being here. And I feel like you're my friend already. I feel like all of you are my family. Don't mind me. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more videos, subscribe. If you want to be notified for next videos, hit the notification bell. And adios. Hey door. BCS.